All right, here's a look at a signature suite on the Silver Endeavour. Now they're just making up this morning because it's the last morning when people are getting off, so I apologize for the mess, but it will absolutely give you a good feel for what it's like. So let's have a peek. So you can see when you come in, this is the washer, which has the separate door, which is perfect because guests can use this, or of course you can have one partner using the washroom while the other one's in the shower and whatnot. Great little area for dining if you want to have room service. Huge TV. Nice desk area here, which is perfect for working as I do when you're at sea. Nice huge couch. And then these are up on deck 8, by the way. I think there's 4 of them, and I will put the square footage underneath the video. But I believe, actually I'm not really sure, but I think it's somewhere around 600 square feet. A beautiful little deck with some nice chairs and also loungers. And then when we come in, so this is the other side of the bathroom. So you can see I showed, so there's that door I was showing that kind of closes in between. You've got the nice shower over here, separate shower, nice rain shower. Of course, you got your sink, double sinks, beautiful sized bath. So if you want to relax, you can see you've even got the jacuzzi jets, which is perfect. Really nice, big walk-in closet, and it's open, so you can kind of see your clothes. Everything makes it a lot easier. And then you've got the bed, and like most beds on board, you can see it's 2 twins. They push them together to make them into a king if you like big. And then of course you got the another desk in the bedroom, which is perfect. So if you got 2 workers, especially you and your partner are both working when you're at sea, that's going to be awesome. So again, this is the signature suite on the Silver Endeavour, and again, I'll put the square footage underneath this video and let you know how big it is.